When it comes to typing on a computer, the right keyboard can make all the difference. Whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing, a comfortable, responsive keyboard can improve your productivity and typing speed. In this video, we'll review 5 of the best keyboards for computer typing, each offering unique features, ergonomics, and performance. Let's dive into these top picks to help you find the perfect keyboard for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Logitech K380. The Logitech K380 is a compact, multi-device Bluetooth keyboard that offers excellent value for casual and professional typists alike. It's designed for those who need a portable, lightweight, and reliable typing experience without sacrificing functionality. The K380's simple design and compatibility with various devices make it an excellent choice for anyone who types frequently across multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Key features: the Logitech K380 features a low-profile design with concave keys that are easy to press. It supports multi-device pairing, allowing you to switch between devices with the press of a button. It's powered by 2 AAA batteries, offering up to 2 years of battery life. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth, and it's compatible with a wide range of devices, including tablets, smartphones, and computers. Its small size makes it portable and perfect for tight desk spaces. Benefits and usage: ideal for those who work across multiple devices, the K380's ability to switch seamlessly between 3 devices makes it an excellent choice for multitaskers. Whether you're working on your laptop, tablet, or phone, this keyboard adapts to your needs. Its lightweight design and Bluetooth functionality also make it perfect for travel, as it easily fits in a bag. The quiet typing experience is perfect for long hours of use without disturbing those around you. Usability: the Logitech K380 is simple to set up and use, requiring minimal effort to connect to your devices via Bluetooth. Its intuitive multi-device switching ensures that you can effortlessly move between devices with a simple keystroke. The keyboard's layout is standard, with well-spaced keys that allow for comfortable typing without feeling cramped. It's ideal for those who prefer a straightforward, no-fuss typing experience. Durability: despite its compact form, the K380 is quite durable, with robust keys designed to withstand frequent typing. The battery life is impressive, and the Bluetooth connection remains strong throughout use. While the plastic build feels lightweight, it holds up well over time, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. In the second spot, we have Keychron K2. The Keychron K2 is a mechanical keyboard designed for typists who want both style and performance. With its sleek design, customizable key switches, and wireless Bluetooth functionality, it's a favorite among tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. The K2 is available in both wired and wireless modes, offering versatility depending on your needs. Whether you're looking for a quiet typing experience or a more tactile response, the Keychron K2 can meet those demands. Key features: the Keychron K2 comes with a variety of key switches, including Keychron, LK optical, and hot swappable options, allowing users to choose the tactile feel that suits their typing style. It also features Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, allowing for seamless wireless typing across multiple devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. With a long battery life, up to 72 hours of continuous typing, it's perfect for those who want a reliable keyboard for long typing sessions. Benefits and usage: the K2's versatility in key switches and Bluetooth functionality makes it a great choice for both casual typists and serious professionals. Its compact, 75% layout means it offers a more efficient typing experience than full-sized keyboards while still retaining all the essential keys. It's also customizable with RGB lighting, which not only enhances the aesthetic but also improves visibility in dim lighting. Whether you're working, gaming, or simply typing emails, the K2 provides a satisfying and responsive experience. Usability: setting up the Keychron K2 is simple, with both Bluetooth and USB-C wired options available for connection. The keyboard's key switches offer a satisfying tactile feedback, and the keycaps are designed for comfort during long typing sessions. The compact design ensures it's not too bulky, fitting comfortably on most desks. Plus, the wireless functionality allows you to use the keyboard from a distance, making it a versatile option for different setups. Durability. The Keychron K2 is built to last, with solid construction and high-quality key switches that can withstand millions of keystrokes. Its plastic body feels sturdy, and the keycaps are made of ABS plastic, designed to resist wear and tear over time. The mechanical switches, depending on your choice, also provide durability for those who type frequently and want a keyboard that holds up under heavy use. Coming in at number 3 is the Microsoft Sculpt. The Microsoft Sculpt is an ergonomic keyboard designed to reduce strain during long typing sessions. Featuring a split layout and a cushioned palm rest, it's ideal for those who want to improve their typing posture and comfort. The Sculpt's unique design aims to support the natural alignment of your wrists, making it a great choice for typists who spend hours at the computer each day and are looking to prevent strain or discomfort. Key features. The Sculpt keyboard features a split keyboard layout, which separates the keys into 2 sections, reducing wrist movement and strain. The cushioned palm rest provides additional comfort and support for your wrists. The keyboard also includes a separate number pad, which gives you the flexibility to position it according to your typing needs. The Sculpt connects via a USB receiver, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. Benefits and usage. The Microsoft Sculpt is perfect for users who suffer from wrist pain or discomfort from extended typing. The ergonomic layout helps to keep your wrists in a neutral position, reducing strain. Typists who need a dedicated number pad for data entry will appreciate the Sculpt's separate number pad, which can be positioned at the most comfortable angle. The keyboard is also great for those who want to improve their typing posture and reduce fatigue. Usability. The Sculpt is designed with ergonomics in mind, making it an excellent option for users who experience discomfort with traditional keyboards. The split layout may take some time to adjust to, but once you get used to it, it becomes second nature. The separate number pad is a helpful addition, especially for those who frequently input numeric data. The keyboard's simple, wireless setup makes it easy to use across different devices. Durability. Built to withstand frequent use, the Microsoft Sculpt is constructed from durable materials that hold up over time. The keys are designed to resist wear, and the wireless receiver provides a strong, reliable connection. The cushioned palm rest offers comfort, but it may wear over time depending on how frequently the keyboard is used. Overall, the Sculpt is a solid, long-lasting option for those seeking comfort and ergonomics in a typing keyboard. Taking our 4th spot is DOS Keyboard 4. The DOS Keyboard 4 is a premium mechanical keyboard designed for serious typists who want performance, style, and durability. Known for its tactile switches, solid construction, and sleek design, it's a top choice among professionals who spend long hours typing. Whether you're writing, coding, or gaming, the DOS Keyboard 4 provides an outstanding typing experience that can help improve speed and accuracy. Key features. The DOS Keyboard 4 comes with Cherry MX mechanical key switches, which offer a tactile, responsive feel that many typists prefer. It also features a full-size layout with dedicated media controls and a volume knob for easy adjustment. The keyboard includes USB pass-through ports, allowing for easy connection of additional devices, and it has a solid aluminum top panel that adds durability and a premium look. The DOS Keyboard 4 also offers excellent key rollover and anti-ghosting for fast, uninterrupted typing. Benefits and usage. The DOS Keyboard 4 is perfect for professional typists, writers, and gamers who demand precision and speed. Its mechanical switches provide a satisfying typing experience that's highly responsive, reducing typing fatigue during extended sessions. The full-size layout ensures that you have all the keys you need, while the media controls add convenience for managing music or videos without interrupting your workflow. The premium construction guarantees a long-lasting keyboard that can handle heavy use. Usability. Setting up the DOS Keyboard 4 is straightforward, and it works well with both Windows and macOS devices. The tactile feedback of the mechanical keys makes typing faster and more accurate, while the dedicated media controls make it easy to adjust volume or pause/play music. The USB pass-through ports are convenient for connecting peripherals, and the keyboard's full-size layout ensures that you have access to all the keys you need without feeling cramped. Durability. The DOS Keyboard 4 is built to last, thanks to its premium construction and high-quality mechanical switches. The key switches are rated for millions of keystrokes, ensuring that the keyboard will hold up over time. The aluminum top panel adds durability and gives the keyboard a sleek, professional look. The keys are designed to resist wear, making the DOS keyboard for a reliable option for long-term use. And finally, at number 5, we have an Pro 2. The AN Pro 2 is a compact, wireless mechanical keyboard that's perfect for typists who want a portable yet powerful typing experience. With customizable RGB lighting, multiple key switches, and Bluetooth connectivity, the AN Pro 2 is a versatile keyboard that's ideal for both typing and gaming. Its compact 60% layout means it saves space on your desk without sacrificing functionality. Key features: the AN Pro 2 features customizable RGB lighting, giving you the option to choose from a wide range of colors and effects. It uses Keychron, Kale, or Cherry MX key switches, so you can choose the switch type that best suits your typing preferences. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth, allowing you to use it wirelessly with multiple devices, including computers, tablets, and phones. It also includes programmable keys for a fully customized typing experience. Benefits and usage: the compact size of the AN Pro 2 makes it a great option for users who need a space-saving keyboard without sacrificing key functionality. The customizable RGB lighting adds a fun touch, while the wireless Bluetooth connection offers flexibility for different setups. Whether you're typing long documents, gaming, or browsing, the AN Pro 2's responsive mechanical switches and compact design make it a great all-around keyboard for any task. Usability: the AN Pro 2 is easy to set up, with Bluetooth connectivity that works seamlessly with both Windows and macOS devices. The 60% layout may take some time to adjust to if you're used to a full-size keyboard, but it offers a more compact, efficient design once you get used to it. The keyboard's programmable keys allow you to create custom shortcuts and macros, making it ideal for power users. Durability: the AN Pro 2 is built with durability in mind, using high-quality mechanical switches that can withstand millions of keystrokes. The keyboard's compact design and solid construction ensure that it holds up well over time. The keys resist wear, and the Bluetooth connection remains strong, making it a reliable option for both long typing sessions and quick, responsive gaming. Choosing the best keyboard for computer typing depends on your personal preferences and needs. Whether you're looking for an ergonomic design like the Microsoft Sculpt, the mechanical power of the DOS Keyboard 4, or the portability of the Logitech K380, there's a keyboard on this list that will suit you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know which keyboard you prefer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.